nigga PBG final for my shit. I'm fucking this shit up.
Yeah, right, nigga. I'm cracking that shit. Shit on jack stands right now.
Listen, this nigga's gonna need 3 in the break and to go. Call me when you in 3rd gear. Tell him, Jamie, that's what we used to do back in the day. Call us when you in 3rd, I'm gonna take off.
Woo!
I'll see you at the line.
I gotta be there for this shit.
See you at the line.
The nigga Bebo lifting his shit right now.
Tell him, you cracking him with your shit too. Tell him. You know that. Yo, Chucky, what is this? Esto comida, dile en inglés. Tell him. What is this? What is this? With your shit. Tell him. What is this? Comida. Dile en inglés.
Chucky hiding, but he got something coming out his sleeve.
Yeah.
Chucky coming. Y'all gonna think it's his car.
Yeah. Yo,
they look both the same. Yep. That's crazy. They both got black fenders, both got carbon fiber hoods.
Yep.
Y'all,
damn.
Everything twins.
Twins, nigga.
That's crazy.
Damn. B versus K. What y'all think? LS versus K.
Shit.
No V-Tech. I guarantee you he gonna have a run for his money.
That shit going crazy.
No, we
what they call it? No V-Tech.
Both cars sleep at the same house, everything.
That's crazy.
No V-Tech, and I guarantee you it's gonna be a good race. All motor versus LS nitrous. Woo.
Shit. I remember Justin was fucking putting belt to ass with that LS
Oh,
nitrous.
he building his shit in my crib when he going to gas.
And he using his parts.
That's crazy.
Leave my boy Chucky alone. Right, Chucky? La bestia.
Shit, everybody remember them days when Justin was cracking ass with that LS nitrous. Nobody. Shit, I remember I raced him with my RSX. He fucking walked me by 2 cars. Like, damn, that shit moving. That shit was moving.
He was having fun.
Oh, this nigga pissed me off. I'm having fun.
Bring the car down here. All right.
Nigga sent me home.
B-Series all motor. I mean, the bottle was there, but it wasn't on. Pulled up real quick. Came on the side of this. Dude, what's up, man?
I was cracking everybody that night till this nigga show up.
Belt to ass.
I went home after that and fuck this.
They like, this shit food.
This shit food.
They like, this shit food.
This shit food.
Yo, Jesse, this ain't your shit food, brody. This ain't your shit a buffet.
This shit food. I was smoking like I'm smoking this fucking
Kids, don't do this at home.
Yeah, I saw your text come through last night with the pipe, but I was just now dozing off. I was in texting back, but I fucking blacked out. Yeah, I died. Tell him stop playing with you. Stop playing with him. This shit is beastie. This shit came out fire. I love that logo. That logo is too fire. It's simple but fire as hell.
Hot. I low key want to burn it.
With the burn, what, like give it some color?
Yeah, it'll put it like this.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah. That'd be nice. Oh, yeah, I see it, yeah. That's fire. Simple shit, that's fire. Oh, stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. They got Pango here too. What's goody?
Oh, look, he caught that like here.
That look like he want to say something, but he don't want to say it.
Huh?
That look like he want to say something, but he don't want to say it.
Say something about.
Typical Puerto Rican shit.
Bro, I gotta save all the oil, bro. But then this shit's $14.
Yo, he drained the oil.
This shit's $14
out of here. He put it in
quarter.
his car. He just put it in his car.
No, you dead ass?
He did. Last time, huh? Mira, cuando decimos el cambio de aceite del otro carro, ¿dónde fue el aceite? ¿El cambio de quién?
A la Ferrari. El corolla mío. Por eso tenía fuerza para jalar aquel tronco. No, dale vuelta completo. Oh, shit, quería arrancarlo.
That's still recorded. Yeah, 3D printing shit now.
Like that shit.
That's gonna be your print off. Nice corner. I bet you got this shit in the works already.
We can walk to the corner over there and see how busy the street is.
True.
Dang, I just came from over there.
We gotta look at the traffic. People driving by.
Worst thing somebody could ever do is bring your fabricator a fucking pipe that's already coated.
Oh, you gotta skin it
Worst
down.
shit ever, bro. So I gotta get it to where it's nice and clean.
Yeah.
Scotch it up, hit it with some acetone, and still weld like ass.
Damn.
Bro, it is what it is.
Don't bring nothing cool.
Don't bring me anything coated, please. I beg of you.
That's extra work.
That's extra work. Even like shit like this. So you see the difference between the two?
Yeah.
You want it raw. You don't want that coating because when you start to weld, when you weld, you burn that off. And since it's dirty, it gets in special aluminum. Aluminum, you have to be like surgical clean with it.
Okay.
If you don't, anything that happens, it just contaminates the weld.
Yeah.
And it welds like ass. No more welding ass like ass.
That's good to know.
Like clean weld. If it comes out like shit, Bevel did it.
Bevel did it.
Bevel did it. You see what I'm worried about with this cheap ass material?
Oh, yeah.
You see that? It didn't go all the way through because you can't see daylight, but
Right.
Chinese eBay shit.
Yeah, next goes to show. Make sure y'all get some quality shit.
Please.
It makes it works a lot more easier with your fabricator. A lot more easier work.
So then from here, I'm just gonna add 2 tabs and then put a rod to the opposite side where the controller arms. So this way I have my own custom traction bars. Well, I'm gonna go to Logan Steel and grab me some plates.
Yeah.
And then make my own weight bar. It's not too bad. It's just so much shit to do, so little time. And then once that came, all the love went back. And I didn't care about this anymore.
I completely understand that.
I'm waiting for the suspension. Suspension should be coming up for that one. Technically, which is crazy because I have to buy suspension for this, that, and
that
so
one.
I have to buy 3 sets of quarters. I'm gonna preload the shit out of it. So
Right.
this way
It stays solid.
on that one, I'm gonna end up probably just either parting that one or just putting it back together and selling it. That's a flip.
Yeah.
I don't plan on staying with that one because I can't stay with 3 cars.
Right, exactly.
My wife will kill me.
You seen the shit I dealt with. I had like 3.5 cars at one
I
point.
know, bro. I don't know how you do it.
Yeah, I don't know how I did it either.
There's too much.
Too much at once.
Not enough time.
Right. As light as it is with that big ass motor in it.
It's a 3.5.
Yeah.
Bro, I get so many people commenting like, "Yo, Max's one's already moved." as it
Yeah,
is.
exactly. And now in
Imagine
this,
on that, and it's been done before. We got a friend down south that has one.
I think this thing could easily hit like low 10s, high 9s.
The goal is to run 10.5s.
Yeah.
To take it to the event. That's why I haven't cut any of this, any of the trunk out.
Right.
In order for you to run classes, they require you to have full floors. You can't cut any of the floors out.
Oh, okay.
So, no more cutting floors. But I cut the shit out of everything else.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen one of these before?
Not in person.
Yeah. Let me grab the key real quick. Oh no.
Oh, it's open.
Yeah. So these are kind of equivalent to like what a Type R is.
Oh, okay.
Like a Civic Type R. I won't call it an Integra Type R.
Yeah.
These are 1.6.
Oh, okay, like B16.
So this is technically what a B16 is. It's just, I don't want to say it's a little better, but yeah, I'm a Nissan guy.
Yeah.
It's a little better. So it's a 1.6 VVO, so it's a Neo VVO. So these 2 cylinders right here, that's what triggers the AKA VTEC.
Oh, okay.
So on these stock, triggers one and then triggers the other.
All right.
What I'm gonna end up doing is probably end up jumping them so that it triggers both of them
Both at the same time.
So this way, when it hits a lot harder. I'm planning on leaving it stock, doing little modifications here and there. But I mean, it's a collector's car.
Yeah, exactly.
Worst case scenario is like if I get in a pinch, you know how.
Yep.
Selling cars. I got money invested to this.
Exactly.
I plan on driving it, but like this is my savings right here. Little by little.
Look at Justin contemplating on getting one now.
Got his own vision.
Yep.
Bro, you know what crazy part was? The first day that I got here, I told Bell was like, "Yo, can you move it outside real quick?" I was like, "All right, no problem." I went to the driver's side. I was like, "Wait, I gotta go on the passenger side." Every time I drive that shit, I'm gonna end up doing that.
I don't think I'll be able to drive one of them shit.
Bro, I'm telling you, going on reverse, immediately I start.
Yeah.
I gotta go this way.
It took me a few days to get used to the skyline.
I
It took
can't
me a
wait
few
until I
days.
do get used to it.
Yeah.
But I drove it around here and then I went back in my work van and I'm like, damn, this feels weird.
Yep.
I don't know how people get used to this, but I can't wait. You know what? At least I'll be able to go to car shows now with something.
Yeah, exactly.
So it'd be nice to pull up.
Definitely. Hell yeah. About to do a test pass?
Yeah, it's a brand new tires.
I was about to say that.
Yeah, but you take a right out of here. Hold on. Justin's right there.
Es depende. Hay que echarlo más para atrás.
Make sure. You got some other one.
Yeah, you gotta send that to Takara. I'm gonna send it to
So you can put it with the other one he got. 'Cause he got the one.
Off the trailer, in your ass.
In your ass.
Not like that.
Off the trailer, we could get it popping.
How that shit felt, Justin? Shit felt good?
Shit felt amazing. 1, 2, 3. So I was about to hit 4th, but the curve was coming.
Yeah, that curve come up quick.
Boko, even you put 30, you gotta let go fast.
Where the papers at? They get high. Playing with somebody. Where's Cedric at?
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a street car, right? Some track says a track car.
You know, I bought a tow truck, so now it goes on the back of the bed. But niggas know damn well this shit used to be out here playing in the streets every weekend. So that track, man, it's a street car, man.
That's a fact.
Facts.
Camera about to die and close your video out. Do like a little ending.
Oh, stay tuned, cause there might be a little street scene going on here, man.
Yes, sir.
Y'all gonna see the little test hit, and hopefully we gonna come to y'all with a little pass. You know, we coming.